And tonight, in the future of everything, which came first, the embryo or the egg? Don't be so sure of your answer, because get this. Scientists in Israel have successfully managed to create a model of a human embryo in real life without using any sperm or any eggs or a womb. They just used stem cells, and it even tested positive on a pregnancy test. Here's a closer look at how they did it. In an Israeli lab, the kind of genesis you might see in a science fiction movie. Scientists have successfully created a model of a human embryo, and they did it without the use of any sperm cells, any eggs, or even a womb, just stem cells. Lead researcher Jacob Hanna says the cells were mainly cultivated from human skin.
We took human stem cells that were derived years ago from donated early embryos, or what's called iPS cells, cells that are taken from the skin and turned back into a stem cell state. These are very established technologies.
This is what the model looks like. It was created by the team at Israel's Weizmann Institute of Science. It's nearly identical to a real human embryo at 14 days after fertilization, which means it has some sort of internal structure, but it doesn't have any of the foundations necessary to create things like organs. In fact, the team says 14 days is the furthest they can really go.
In about 1% of the aggregates, we can see that cells start differentiating correctly, migrating and sorting themselves into the correct structure. And the farthest we could get is day 14 in human embryo development.
And the embryo even tested positive for the same hormones picked up on pregnancy tests. That's a green you're seeing right there. The team says being able to create a model like this gives scientists a new way to research the earliest stages of embryonic development.
A human embryo makes all its organs basically by week 5 of pregnancy. And we really don't know a lot. It's a black box of how organ formation happens. And it's almost impossible to study this period because the embryo is very small. There are justified ethical limitations to really access such material. Therefore, the goal is really, can we bypass and create some kind of alternative model from cells, from stem cells, and try to make a model for a human embryo.
But Professor Hanna wants to be clear. This is not an actual human embryo.
I don't think we can ever really make a real identical embryo, just because in the end, the uterus environment is really the most normal environment, and it's controllable. It's not that it's not our goal, it's actually also impossible.
In the end, Professor Hanna says they hope he can offer more answers on things like medication use during pregnancy and even understanding miscarriages better.
There might be some cells that are useful, actually, that you can take and transplant, or take them and expand them and transplant them, or take them and test drugs on them, and so forth.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.